today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this flower. Okay, this is a layered rose kind of flower, and it's very easy to make once you understand the pattern. Okay? To make this flower, you will need a cotton yarn. I'm using a size 1 cotton yarn here with a 2.5 mm crochet hook. Other than that, you'll need a pair of scissors, and I have made this in single color. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it with these two colors. And you can add as many colors as you want depending on your requirement. Okay. So now let's get right into the video. To make a flower, first we have to calculate the number of foundation chains. So in this flower, I have 10 petals, and each petal will need 5 chains to form the base of this flower. But instead of 10 petals, I'm going to count the foundation chain only for 9 petals, because at the end of the work we'll have an extra loop. Okay. So in today's video, I'm going to make 12 petals. So I have taken a foundation chain of 55, and we're going to start making the loops for the petals. To start by chaining 5. So I already have 55, and plus 5, altogether I have 60 stitches. Okay. This chain 5 counts as 1 double crochet and a chain 2, and into the 6th V from the hook you have to crochet a double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6th one. Into this we are going to crochet a double crochet. So now this forms the first petal. After this, you have to chain 3, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 4 and crochet the next loop, that is a double crochet, chain 2 and another double crochet, all into the same chain space. So now we have 2 loops for our petals. Again, I'm going to do the same thing until the end of the row. Chain 3, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and into the 5th one do the loop for the petal, that is a double crochet, chain 2 and another double crochet, all into the same chain. So it looks something like this. I'm going to finish this whole row and meet you back at the end of the row. At the end of the row, so as you can see, we already have 11 loops on our foundation chain, and I have space to do one more loop. So this is why, while calculating the foundation chain, we reduce one petal and then calculate the foundation chain. Okay. So now we're going to go to the next row. So in this row, we are going to form the first layer of petal, and we are going to alternate colors right from this row itself. So the pattern for this row is 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets into the V space, and then chain 1 and move into the next V space. Now I am going to switch to the blue color. You have to switch colors when you chain 1. Now I am going into the V, making 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. As you can see, I am bringing my other color along my work, just like how you weave in the ends, so that it is easy for me to switch colors when I move to the next petal. and we are only going to crochet into the V stitches. We are not crocheting in between the V stitches. So now I'm going to chain 1 and switch color. So every time you chain 1 between the petals, you have to switch colors. Make sure you are holding the other color also. So you are not supposed to crochet into this loop here. You are supposed to go into the next V. Okay. Chain 2, again 3 double crochets into the V space. So just like this, I'm going to do the same pattern until the end of the row. You change color when you chain 1 between the petals, 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into the V stitch. Again chain 1 as you change the color. Okay, I'll meet you back at the end of this row. So here we are at the end of this row. If you want, you can crochet this last loop in a different color to form the center of this flower, say like yellow or orange. So, but then I'm going to do with the same color. Chain 2 and 3 more double crochets. Now this is the final row. Chain 1, turn your work, slip stitch until you reach the chain 2 space. You can start a double crochet. You have to make 12 double crochets. Bring along the other color, otherwise you will not be able to attach this color at the middle of the row. Chain 1, turn your work and start doing a double crochet. So into each loop, we are going to do 12 double crochets. Now it's time for us to change to the purple here. Make a single crochet into the chain 1 space. into the next chain 2 space you have to make 12 double crochets, and then again single crochet into the chain 1 space and then 12 double crochets. I'm going to do this till the end of the row, and I'll meet you back when I finish the row. As you can see, all the foundation chains I've rolled it up into like a coil, and now I'm going to stitch each layer together so that it retains the shape. I'm just using slip stitches to fix them in place. You can sew it with the needle and thread also, but I prefer to do it with the crochet needle. Wherever you want to place the petal, you can make a slip stitch like this at the foundation chain. This is just random. You can go by your instinct and stitch it up the way you want. So this is a very easy pattern, a beginner level pattern actually. You don't need any fancy stitches, or you are not doing any multi-level crocheting here. Like if you want to create a layered flower, you have to crochet in 3 different layers, but this is just a straight step of work, and you can easily recreate it in any color that you want. I'm going to finish stitching this up, and I'll show you the final flower. So here we are done with our crocheted rows. Okay, so do try out this pattern. Try to play around with a lot of colors, multiple color yarn. Try to do it with the same color yarn. And if you do make this pattern, post your pictures on Instagram tagging Soumya_YarnWonders. I would love to see them. And do subscribe to my channel for more such videos and to learn more about crocheting. Thank you.